Account registration. This site supports desktop, tablet, and mobile views. Enter the site, MushroomEdu.com. If you don't have an account yet, please register for a student account. Create an account by filling in the required information. Next, verify your email address. Go to your email inbox and click Verify your email. In some cases, the verification email may be found in your spam or junk folder. If the message, "You need to verify your email before accessing this page," still appears after you click the Verify Your Email link, try this alternative method. Right-click the Verify Your Email link, copy the link address, and paste it directly into your browser. Account login. Once your email has been verified, you can now log into your account and start using the site. To log in or sign in, enter your login credentials using your username or email address, followed by your password. If you'd like to stay signed in, you can enable the Remember Me option.